This video is powered by Softzenith, experts in building websites, mobile apps, and desktop applications for businesses and startups. Get free software engineering training right here on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and invite your friends to learn with us. For dedicated one-on-one or premium courses, visit www.softzenith.com/courses to get started.
Introduction to Emerging Technologies, AI, Blockchain, IoT, AR/VR, Quantum Computing. Welcome to the world of emerging tech. Voiceover. Welcome, class. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of emerging technologies. Now, that might sound like a mouthful, but don't worry. I'm going to break it all down for you in the simplest way possible. Emerging technologies are the new, powerful tools that are changing how we live, work, and connect with each other. If you've ever asked Alexa to play your favorite song, use Google Maps to avoid traffic, or paid with your phone, you've already experienced them in action. In this video, we will discuss the following. Understand what artificial intelligence, AI, is and how it's used. Learn how blockchain works and its real-world applications. Explore the Internet of Things, IoT, and how it connects our devices. Understand the difference between augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. Discover what quantum computing is and its potential. See how these technologies are used in everyday life. Learn about career opportunities in each area. What is artificial intelligence, AI? Let's start with AI. Artificial intelligence. Imagine teaching a computer how to think like a human. That's AI. It's when machines are built to learn, solve problems, and make decisions just like people. Ever notice how Netflix suggests shows you might like? Or how Siri can understand your voice? That's AI at work. Real-life examples. Netflix recommending shows. Siri answering questions. Google Maps predicting traffic. Have you subscribed to our channel yet? Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss an update. AI in real-world applications. AI is everywhere and it's changing the world. In healthcare, AI helps doctors detect diseases early using images and data. In banking, it spots fraud before you even notice. And those chatbots that answer your questions online? Yep, that's AI too. Even your email spam filter is powered by AI. Real-life examples. AI scanning x-rays. Bank app warning about unusual transactions. Smart customer service chatbots. AI in the workplace. AI is also transforming the workplace. Businesses use it to predict customer needs, automate boring tasks, and personalize services. In factories, AI helps robots do repetitive tasks. In marketing, AI helps create better ads by analyzing what people like. Real-life examples. Robot arm assembling products. Personalized shopping ads. AI helping customer service teams. How does blockchain work? Now, on to blockchain. Don't let the name scare you. Technically speaking, blockchain is a decentralized, distributed digital ledger that records transactions across many computers so that the record cannot be altered retroactively. It works by grouping transactions into blocks that are securely linked or chained using cryptography. Every participant in the network has access to the same data, and once information is entered, it's nearly impossible to change. Real-life examples. Buying Bitcoin. Tracking food from farm to store. Smart contracts for digital business deals. Blockchain in everyday life. Blockchain is more than just cryptocurrency. Think about tracking your coffee from the farm to your cup. Blockchain ensures every step is recorded. Or using blockchain for secure voting systems. Even digital art like NFTs uses blockchain to prove who owns what. It's a secure way to share trust across the internet. Real-life examples. QR code on a coffee bag. Secure digital vote. NFT artwork. Blockchain in business. In business, blockchain creates efficiency and trust. Think about insurance claims being processed automatically using smart contracts, or verifying someone's digital identity without showing physical documents. Supply chains become more transparent. Everyone sees the same data. It's a game changer. Real-life examples. Insurance app with auto processing. Digital ID system. Product supply tracking map. What is the Internet of Things, IoT? Next up, IoT. It stands for Internet of Things. It's all about connecting everyday objects to the Internet so they can talk to each other, like your smartwatch syncing your steps with your phone, or your thermostat adjusting the heat when it senses your home. It's smart, helpful, and part of our daily lives. Real-life examples. Smartwatch tracking steps. Thermostat adjusting temperature. Smart fridge alerting you. AR versus VR. Now let's talk about AR and VR. AR, Augmented Reality, adds digital images to your real world, like filters on Instagram or trying furniture in your room with your phone. VR, Virtual Reality, takes you to a completely new world using a headset. You can explore space, walk through museums, or play immersive games. Real-life examples. AR, Pokemon Go, Snapchat filters. VR, virtual field trips, games. What is quantum computing? Now, let's simplify a big one, quantum computing. Traditional computers use bits, ones and zeros. Quantum computers use qubits, which can be 1 and 0 at the same time. That means they can solve super complex problems way faster than regular computers. We're still in early days, but the potential is huge. Real-life examples. Drug discovery, climate modeling, encryption breaking. Emerging tech in daily life. You don't need to look far to see emerging tech. AI curates your YouTube feed. IoT keeps your smart home cozy. AR helps you choose the right shoes online. These technologies are behind many of the things you already enjoy. Careers in emerging tech. Excited about what we've learned? You can build a career in this. There are jobs for AI engineers, IoT specialists, blockchain developers, AR/VR designers, and even quantum researchers. You can start with free courses or coding boot camps. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start. Have you subscribed to our channel yet? Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss an update. The future of technology. What's coming next? AI will help diagnose diseases. Blockchain could run secure elections. Quantum computing might solve energy problems. The future is being built right now, and it needs curious minds like yours. Your tech journey starts now. Great job getting through this tech tour. Whether you want to build apps, explore data, or design AR games, there's a spot for you in tech. Start with what interests you, keep learning, and don't be afraid to ask questions. The future is waiting. What will you explore next? Thanks for watching. If you're looking to build powerful apps, websites, or tech solutions at scale, or you want to level up your IT skills, reach out to Softzenith. Visit softzenith.com or message them on WhatsApp at +23 4702 511 5425. Empower your business. Build with Softzenith. Rock it. Have a question or thought? Drop them in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you.